Hello friends, July 2024 Windows Update KB5040442 brought so many bug fixes and improvements for Windows 11. But the sad part of the update is you may not able to install it. You may find error codes such as 0x800700D, 0x800F0831, 0x80010905 or others. Also, Windows 11 may revert back the update when installing, but you can fix it. Here is how to fix KB5040442 fails to install in Windows 11. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. First thing first, Windows provides a built-in troubleshooter. This can help you get rid of the issue. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Select System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. This is Windows Update. Click on Run. Allow the troubleshooter to run and complete the process, and in the last, restart your computer. After restarting, open Settings. Select Windows Update and click on Check for updates. Manually install the cumulative update using a standalone file. Open Google search and type Microsoft Update Catalog. Click on Microsoft Update Catalog. In the search box, type KB50 40442 and press enter. Here you find multiple files. You have to locate the file compatible with your computer. For this, go to Settings, select System, scroll down and click on About. Here is system type. Mine is 64-bit. See yours. This file is for x64 based systems. Click on Download. Click on this link to start downloading. Go to Download folders. Right click on the MSU file and select Open. On the confirmation prompt, click on Yes. Reset Windows Update Cache. Click on Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Once command prompt is open, copy some commands one by one, paste into the prompt and press enter. The commands are provided in the description area of this video. The command is like net stop WUAUSERV After running all the commands, restart your computer and check for Windows updates. Run System File Checker and DISM tools. Open command prompt as administrator again. For this, type CMD in the search box and select Run as administrator. Type SFC / scan now. Press enter. This will take some time. After the process reaches 100%, restart your computer. Again, go to settings. Click on Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. If KB5040442 is installed correctly, then it is alright. If not, then again open command prompt as administrator. Type CMD. Select Run as administrator. This time run DISM commands one by one. DISM commands are given in the description part of this video. In this way, run all the 3 commands given in the description box. Restart your computer and check if Windows Update is installed perfectly. The last method is using Windows 11 disk image. Go to the link given in the description part of this video. Scroll down and reach Download Windows 11 disk image. Click on Select Down. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. Click on Download now. After validation is completed, select one language that suits you and click on Confirm. Click 64-bit download. Once downloading is completed, right click on the ISO file and select Open. Now double click on setup.exe from the next folder and follow the on-screen instructions. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.